In the Garden of Eden, God entrusted Adam with the care of all living things, emphasizing the importance of stewardship. This ancient wisdom echoes today in nature reserves, where endangered plants find sanctuary. Just as Adam named each creature, modern conservationists catalog and protect rare species, ensuring their survival. The story of Noah's Ark further illustrates this divine mandate, as Noah preserved life through the flood. Today, nature reserves act as modern arks, safeguarding biodiversity against extinction. These biblical narratives remind us of our sacred duty to protect and nurture the natural world.